Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About x to the power of 3, we can put into s squared and s. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to 4s squared. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s. Because we don't have number 2 in here and number 4 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 8. So this one we change by u. This one we change by u. S ds we change by this one. Next, we need to use about integration by parts. So I need to put about t equals to u over 8. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. dv, we have e to the power of u du. The integration of this one, we got about v equals to e to the power of u. So this one we change by, this one we have t multiplied by v. So we have this one multiplied by this one. Minus, we have the t multiplied by v, so we have 1 over 8 we put outside, and we have the integration. That is about the u over, e to the power of u in here. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. We need to simplify this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.